I started a mobile sewing machine repair business because I felt that there was a need in between going to someone's house and working in their house, or taking your machine and leaving it at a shop for untold number of weeks. This way, it offers to the customer the ability to schedule a service ahead of time, and I can show up, get their machine from their house, bring it in here and service it, and within a few hours, give it back to them, and it hasn't slowed them down much, where leaving it at a shop could put them out of business for quite a while if they don't have a backup machine that's comparable. I think I know of one other sewing machine repair business that's mobile, and I only discovered that as I was starting up this business, and they're down in like Southern California or something. I think that people could really benefit from it, and that feel like that's the reason to start a business anyway, is to fill a need.